Angel Falls, or Salto Angel, is the world's tallest free-falling waterfall at 978 meters. Angel Falls is located in the mountainous region of Guyana, one of the 5 topographic regions of Venezuela, in South America. It is located on the Carao River. The Carao River is a tributary of the Caroni River, which eventually flows into the Orinoco River. Getting to the falls is not easy as it is located in a dense rainforest. There are no roads leading to the falls. The waterfall is located in the rainforest. It topples down from the top of the table mountain Alian Tepui. Its height, according to different sources, is 979 meters and 1,054 meters. The height of the continuous free fall of water is 807 meters. Just think what a huge distance it is. The falling water falls into the Carap River, which is the closest you can get to this incredible natural place. As the water flows from a great height, it breaks up into many small particles as it falls, resulting in a mist at the bottom of the waterfall that can extend over long distances. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put a like.